Understanding natural lighting, a simple guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, natural lighting. Understanding phrases like this can really brighten up your English skills, so let's shed some light on it. Natural lighting refers to light that comes from the sun, as opposed to artificial lighting, which is created by things like lamps or overhead lights. It's a simple concept, but it's used in many different contexts. When someone talks about a room having good natural lighting, they mean it has a lot of sunlight coming in, making the space bright and cheerful. 1. Home and real estate. This apartment has amazing natural lighting, making it feel warm and welcoming. 2. Photography and film. We'll shoot the scene with natural lighting to give it a more authentic feel. 3. Health and wellness. Getting enough natural lighting can improve your mood and health. Understanding the phrase, natural lighting, is important because it's often used in everyday life. It's not just a technical term but a part of regular conversations about homes, workplaces, and even our well-being. Knowing this phrase helps you understand and participate in a variety of discussions. When describing a place, mention its natural lighting to give a sense of the atmosphere. In discussions about photography or art, use this term to talk about lighting choices. Use it to discuss personal preferences, like, I prefer working in natural lighting. That's all about natural lighting. We hope this video has illuminated this common English phrase for you. Remember, learning English is not just about grammar and vocabulary, but also understanding everyday phrases like this one. Stay bright and keep learning. See you in our next video.